everyone, it's Kyle again and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but for today's video, we're back on another episode of our Malaysia travel series, Exploring Malaysia on a Budget. And this time, we're diving into one of the most colorful and meaningful festival in this country, which is also known as Deepavali, or the Festival of Lights. Feel free to join me in this video as we explore how Malaysians celebrate this amazing festival here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Guys, let's now explore the Little India here in Brickfields. So if you were able to watch the very first episode of my Malaysia travel series, this is one of the places that we explored, which is the Little India. So now they are celebrating the Deepavali. So this is actually my fourth Deepavali here in Malaysia. So let's see what we can see over here. Many shops. Parang sa Pilipinas, guys, this is their New Year. Ayan yung mga usual Indian snacks. Love it. Ayan yung mga sweets nila. Very colorful, just like the festival. And there are many shops where you can buy clothes. Ayan yung mga decoration nila, guys. Oh, super colorful flower. Hello. Very nice flowers. Wala silang masyadong free taste eh. Ikutin lang natin, guys, yung Little India because this part of KL is the center of the celebration. So later on, at exactly 12 o'clock in the midnight, there will be lots of fireworks. Parang salubong din siya. Ito yata yung muruku. So ito yung must-try snack during this festival. Yun, mga garland sa atin. Diba sinasabit lang to sa atin kapag mag-visit ka. Very festive ang atake. Parang ngayon pa lang sila nagsha-shopping ng kung ano-ano. Last minute ang atake nilang lahat. Yan o. Bumibili na sila ng paputok. They're buying firecrackers. Tapos na ang laban, guys. Welcome. This is how festive the celebration is. Very flowery. Parang siya mabulaklak magsalita. Oh. Maubos kaya nila yan lahat? Kasi hanggang mamaya lang naman yung celebration. Medyo tahimik na dito. Ikutin natin, mamaya doon naman tayo sa kabilang side. Mamaya, guys, maganda yung ilaw dyan, maliwanag. Ayan o, may mga ganyan sila. So, past 7 na dito sa Malaysia pero maliwanag pa din. Welcome to Little India, everyone! First time. Sana hindi tumuloy ang ulan. So, thank you, thank you. Hindi pa ako masagasaan, mga Mari Cakes. Kaka-vlog natin ito eh. Andito na tayo sa kabilang side. This Little India is like a long street wherein you can get a vibe of India. So many restaurants, shops. Yan, sige. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo, guys, ha. Ilalakad ko na lang kayo. Ganda, oh. Mahilig sila sa mga ganyang pagkain. Very colorful. Diba? Marami ding tiyanggian. Mamaya, sobrang ingay dito guys. As in.
So Wano is the best choice for everyone. Welcome to Wano Victor once again to Ronnie Six. Ronnie Fashion Jewelry.
Ang daming pwedeng makita guys. I am so overwhelmed. So, you know, panipuri guys. Nag-try tayo before ng panipuri, di ba? During our first episode. Wala. Diretso sa food.
It's alright! Next station.
Parang nagkaroon ng mini petaling street dito sa Little India. Masala tea. Good, ah. Okay. Si Kuya posing siya. Ay, oh, meron ding mga nagpapaganda for later. Baka ayaw nilang nakatapat sa kanila yung camera. Sa atin na lang muna. Nakita nyo naman na yung mga ganap dito, di ba? Sobrang daming tao. Mga damitar. Mga uminsin. Daming tao.
உங்கள் வரவினால் வரவாக இருக்க வேண்டும். அதுதான் சென்றும் எப்போதும் ஒரே இடம் ஒரே தேர்வு. உங்கள் குடும்பத்தின்
Ang DJ si Kuya. Fairness. Ito yung mga traditional. Oh. These are the traditional dresses of India. They usually wear this in this type of festival or celebration. Sa mga Bollywood movie lang natin yung nakikita guys. Pero here, ingay. Parang galing na ako dito kanina. Naliligaw yata ako, guys. Explore lang natin yung area, guys. And then later on, I'll be meeting up with my friends. So perhaps we can try some Indian food over here.
Mixing live on the day with DJ Red.
வந்து சாம்பிராணி ஊதுபத்தி எல்லாம் நல்ல விலை 4 பத்திலி பிஸ்கட்ஸ் இருக்கு ஸ்வீட்ஸ் இருக்கு தண்ணி இருக்கு சாஃப்ட் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் இருக்கு கோபி இருக்கு
Ayun guys, ganun lang naman yung ganap doon sa Little India ngayon as of this time kasi medyo maaga pa. But later on, we will go back here to witness the fireworks and everything. Yung salubong talaga nila mismo. Yan na yung mga pailaw nila, oh. Ayan na, hindi na puro mukha ko yung nasa video, ha. Magalit na naman kayo na puro mukha ko. Yung pinapakita ko na sa inyo yung Little India, okay? Huwag na kayong magalit and everything. Interesting shop, oh. Yung mga Buddha niya. Wala pang masyadong tao dito. Hello! Thank you! Dati hiyang-hiya talaga ako mag-vlog, guys. Pero wala akong pakialam na ngayon. Bakit? Pinapakain ba nila ako? Charot. Galit na galit ka naman. Parang ang kalmado naman dito sa area na to. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pa ako. Did you know, guys, that the celebration actually starts from the day of the festival itself? So people clean their houses, they decorate it, and they buy new clothes. You know, parang masarap yung masala tea. When you are here in Little India, guys, it really gives you a vibe of India. Although I haven't been to India yet, but considering the interior and the shops, Panipuri, oh, si Lakshmi. Lakshmi? Tapos yun pala yung may-ari. Nagpapaano sila? Nagpapahena tattoo on par. Malapit na tayo sa office namin, guys. So maybe I'll go get some coffee muna. Sabi ko magta-try tayo ng masala tea, pero mamaya na. Napagod ako kakalakad. Walking vlog na ang atake natin for today's video. Pero pupunta muna ako ng mall. So I'm gonna have some coffee first. Then later on, we'll go back to Little India. Guys, we're still here in Little India, and of course, one thing you can't absolutely miss during Deepavali is the food. So let's go ahead and explore the area and find ourselves some local snacks that we can try. So ito yung ganap ngayon, guys. This is how it looks like 3 hours before the actual event. So it's a bit crowded now, unlike earlier. Medyo nakakadaan pa tayo, but now it's very, very crowded. The fruits. Ang dami ng utaw. This one is the local snacks. Ooh. One way lang daw to. Dapat doon tayo sa kapila. Masiksikan ngayon and bumper to bumper. Kanina medyo maluwag pa eh. Yan yung mga flowers, guys.
ఈరోజు వెళ్ళి ల్యాగ్ ఇస్తాం పోయి కొత్తలు గ్రూప్ అని పనికిరు అది మనం వెళ్ళామని అది మనం వెళ్ళామని సమ్ లైక్ ఇస్ అంజలి గ్రూప్ సమ్ లైక్ ఇస్ అంజలి గ్రూప్
இங்க
Pakai lagi, pakai perempuan, antara dari Hollywood அல்லது உங்களுக்கு குட்டி குழந்தைக்கு சிப்ப போட்டு பார்க்க ஆசைப்படுறீங்களா? அது தத்துவலி ரக தத்துவலி அப்புறம் ஷேக் தத்துவலி
Aray. So we went back in this part of Little India because it's very chaotic over there. So let's just try some of the local Indian snacks here. Saan? Ayun? Gusto mo doon? Doon na lang! Doon na lang! Oo, masarap doon. Ito yata yung Murukku guys, oh. Parang sweet version niya. Tapos ayun yung parang chicharon. So this is the pani puri. Fairness, naka-gloves si Kuya. Hello! No spicy, ah? Kaya... Kaya mas okay doon. Nag-try din kasi si Rona dito before, ayaw niya. Okay, so our first snack for tonight is pani puri. So let's give it a try. Basang-basa. Nice. It's now Angge's turn. Let's see her reaction. Is this your first time, Angge, eating pani puri?
It's my second time. Ala, maaano siya,
Sobrang
oh.
lambot. How was it? Ayan guys. So few more minutes before the big event. Ang daming tao. Oh my God. 17 minutes to go guys. And we already have a lot of firecrackers and fireworks. So let's now find a good spot so that we can watch the fireworks. Hello. I'm still looking for a shop where we can drink masala tea, guys. I'm not sure if it's a must try, but to complete our Indian experience tonight, so let's have some masala tea and some dessert. Let's see if we can try some Murukku. Busy siya. Hi, Bea! Char! Tawid-dawid tayo. Patikim pa lang yan, guys. Mamaya pag nag-12 a.m., oh my God. It's really the best. Ooh, ang saya. Indeed, it is the most colorful and meaningful festival here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Happy Diwali! Woo! Oh, di ba? Yeah! Woo!
Nanala yun, be?
Wala, ayan na! Ayan na!
Mahina. Hello!
Hello! Woo! Ang taba eh.
Ang cute.
Wala, ano yun? Ayun oh. Nakikita mo yun?
Drone.
Ang taas ha? Hindi, UFO yan.
Wala na, wala.
Di ba? UFO.
Happy celebrate.
Oh my God.
Ay, sino na naman yung hula si Kuya?
Welcome, Miss Angie. Ano masasabi mo tonight? Happy Diwali! This is our fourth Diwali here in Malaysia. New Year na New Year ang atake. So I'm with the gang. Hello guys! Ayan na guys, sobrang dami ng tao. Ito talaga yung pinaka-center kasi dito located yung yung parang replica na ginawa nila na Little India Gate. I mean, yung replica na ginawa nila na India Gate.
Oh my God.
Woo! Sige.
Doon tayo mag-masala.
Masala, mashallah. Happy Diwali! May karu. Ba't kaya pumasok pa? Dapat hindi na pumasok kasi mapuputukan na eh. This is how Malaysia celebrate Diwali, guys! Woo! 11 minutes to go! Kaya nga eh. Dapat hindi na sila dumaan.
Dapat sa taas eh. Oh my God.
Ang lapit. Bakit naman doon? Agaw eksena naman eh. Ang lapit. Ayan na ang mga asteroid! Oh my gosh! budget. Oh. Ano-ano dyan. Papatok yan ni Raji. Ang may-ari ng Raji Mall. 2 minutes, guys. Happy Diwali! Ayun na guys, ayun na yung ganap. I don't know if it's just me, but I think it's louder than last year. Wow! Amazing! Yeah! Ay, nawala! Guys, hindi pa rin ako nakakahanap ng masala tea. Paano yung tawa?
Ano na yan siya?
Anong masasabi mo?
Mas mahaba pa sa mangga yung mukha ni Kuya.
Uy, bad ka! Guys, unfortunately, our mission is failed. So I wasn't able to find a shop where we can drink masala tea. But now, we're still trying Indian food. So we were able to find a shop here in Brickfields to continue exploring Indian food. Today, we'll be trying the non-mozzarella cheese and, of course, the masala. I've been looking for it since 10 p.m. It's already 1 a.m., guys.
Parang ilang tumi dinagdag.
Ano yan? Ingay natin. Parang naingayan siya. Non-mozzarella cheese, tiga. Yeah. Then, Teo, ano ka? Teo Limau Ice, satu. And then, masala tea. Ice, satu. Ikaw? Drink.
Limaw ice.
1 limau ice. Okay. So here's what we ordered from this restaurant. So we ordered non-mozzarella cheese and of course our very cravings. And of course, the masala tea. The cravings of all time for today's video. Let's give it a try.
Grabe. Sobrang wow.
Ano yung laban lang? Oo. Gusto ko yung nagkuha ka ng kutsara pero nagkamay tayo. Nice, oh? Woo! let's try to dip it in the sauce.
Like that, see? Yung ano?
Mas masarap pa to sa pizza.
Yes.
Lalo yung, ay, nakalimutan natin, dapat garlic naan mozzarella cheese. Para may garlic din. Busog ka na agad. Kailangan ng microwave or ano mo, air fryer. Ano? No, dapat naghati na lang kayo pala. Pwede nga yan. Ito. Alright guys, so it's almost 3 a.m. and that's a wrap for our Deepa Valleys adventure today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Wishing you a happy Deepa Valley filled with light, joy, and positivity. Until next time, ciao!